Hi, my name is Fluffball. I am honored and delighted to be here speaking to you all at the Puppetry For Puppet Conference about the care and maintenance of your puppeteer. Puppeteers are often taken for granted. Puppets tend to assume that they are self-maintaining, but they are not. They're actually quite fragile. You need to do quite a lot to keep them out of trouble. I'd like now to bring out a puppeteer to better explain what I mean. Puppeteers are usually humans, and they come in a broad range of colors, shapes, sizes, ages, genders, and languages. I don't like to ask them for details because they are quite shy and don't really like to talk about themselves. A puppeteer usually has a head, torso, and limbs attached to said torso. Do not worry about the puppeteer's feet. Just like our feet, they are never seen. Sometimes they are prepackaged in brightly colored fabrics. It is better to have them entirely clad in black. And now you are better able to hide your puppeteer. Air. Breathing is very important to your puppeteer. They do it all the time. If they were to stop, they would die. So it's very important to make sure that your puppeteer always has access to air. Food for your puppeteer is also something that you must consider carefully. It is very important not to let them fill up on junk food. Instead, feed your puppeteer good, healthy foods such as fruits and vegetables. Healthy food will help your puppeteer to have a nice, glossy coat and a sunny disposition. And it's important to keep your puppeteer hydrated. Before performing, it is a good idea to warm up your puppeteer with exercises. Puppeteers are made of flesh and blood, bones and muscles. They're really quite amazing on the inside, but also quite disgusting. And it's vital to keep their insides in tip-top shape. And so we come to the most important part of the puppeteer, the mind. The mind of a puppeteer is a mess. It's a wild jungle full of thoughts and ideas, hopes and dreams, fears, distractions, embarrassments, bric-a-brac, likes and dislikes, lyrics of songs, broken fragments of memory. All the things you could possibly imagine can potentially exist in the mind of a puppeteer. Puppeteers' minds will wander, but there are many ways to bring them back to reality. They are attracted to colors, textures, and noises. Personally, I like to use a squeaky toy. This engages their senses on a primal level. Other techniques include making them write scripts, having them draw storyboards, making them shoot short films, having them produce live stage shows, bringing them to performances, festivals, and even conferences. that's enough. Thank you. The mind of a puppeteer teeters on the edge of a void, and it is the job of the puppet to bring life and focus to the puppeteer. Thank you for coming to my talk today, here at the Puppetry for Puppets Conference. I have been Fluffball, and I want to wish you all the best in the care and maintenance of your puppeteers.